Okay, what's up guys? Let me know if you hear me good. No camera today. I don't know why OBS can't launch my camera. I need to fix it for the next time. I have problem from last week, I don't know why. It's annoying a bit. What's up, Christian? Yeah, it's pretty annoying. I can't set it now. I don't know. Monday we start with ISM services PMI 4 p.m. It's mid-impact news, not red folder. It's not high. It's something like a mid-impact. Tuesday is nothing. Wednesday FOMC meetings. Okay, bonus session probably during FOMC on Wednesday. Thursday unemployment claims, like always, mid-impact. And Friday nothing. So for upcoming week, from the macroeconomics side, what is interesting to us: FOMC meeting minutes at Wednesday 8 p.m. CST, and Monday ISM services PMI, but that Monday is mid-impact, so don't need to care much about it. It's something like unemployment claims, very similar. Yeah, I'm also chilling, but that camera annoying me a bit. Position from Wednesday, I guess. Yeah, from Wednesday is still working to the upside, and at Thursday, after the NFP, we had another zone. Market just tap it a bit and go higher. We sweep the body of the trap candle, of daily trap candle, and now we are still about push higher to sweep the liquidity from daily trap candle. There is a liquidity. $4,220. I believe we can tap it, and maybe we can see deeper pullback after. Or just new low. We'll see. But I want to see a price action inside the zone for sells, and that area is still available. Gold is just patient. Now we reaccumulate a bit. That was what I'm telling you last week. We go higher, reaccumulate, higher, reaccumulate, higher, and maybe break of structure for the pullback. But inside this move, I didn't expect any deeper pullbacks until we hit the zone. So that's why I drew that box, but I'm told you maybe they didn't touch it. We'll see. Finally they touch a bit by the week and go higher. So pretty clean analysis on gold, pretty clean market moves after the NFP. NFP helps a lot with the numbers. So yeah, gold is playing nice for us. Just wait for the zone after the open if you are not in any position. I'm still holding that guy for the target here. DXY break the counter trend. Here, pullback and sells. I still want to see the XY lower to tap this zone. We'll see. Maybe downside move on the dollar is done, and we just run from where it's at now. But overall, yeah, I just want to see move to the downside a bit. Sweep the liquidity here and tap the zone. So every analysis from last week is in patient process still. Silver running to the upside, same as gold. So also we need to wait for the zone and maybe sells out of it, but buys idea pretty good. S&P struggling, still didn't hit break even. It's fighting to hit the full target. So S&P is still in process to climb higher. We have three runnings idea: S&P, silver, and gold, of course. Silver also go break even. So gold running with break even, almost up the target, pretty close to the target. Gold have shorter distance to hit the full target. Silver a bit more room, and S&P also a bit more room. It's like in the middle, a bit higher than middle. What is euro doing? Euro, I will still waiting for the zone for euro. It's a bit tricky, so for now skip. Maybe something like that after open, but I'm not a fan of euro. now. Maybe here. There is liquidity. 0.5 fib. Some resistance can flip into support. Euro, I will skip euro. I will wait for the OG zone with euro. GBP is interesting because it's inside the zone. Maybe if we break that low on 4-hour chart, it can be signals to sell. Yeah, GBP with 4-hour breakout to the downside can be signals for sell. Swiss franc, still patient. Same as dollar, still want to drag it more down. Oh, Bitcoin. Bitcoin tapped the sell zone. Bitcoin for me is active now. It can be sold from where is it now. Bitcoin tapped its own. Go lower. 1-hour break of structure here. On that candle. So I want to see Bitcoin sell off for upcoming week. 1 to 5, pretty clean. And oil. Missed the zone a bit. With oil can go deeper in the zones still. So I'm not that super, but that was break of structure on the 1 hour. Oil, that's 2 ideas, 2 possibilities. Sell off just after market open from where is that now, or sweep that high deep into the zone and go for sells. Oil now. or later. That's two ideas for oil. But Bitcoin looks clean. Every other chart like silver, S&P and gold on the way to hit the target. DXY close to the zone for the action. Euro close to the zone for the action. Swiss franc also close to the zone. And GBP just waiting for the confirmation for sales. Oh, we break down every asset so fast, so quick today in just 20 minutes. Nothing more to say, to be honest, by my side. Let me know if you have some questions. If soon ready for skyrocket. You see it's accumulating on the weekly, same as here. So I believe we can see another run soon. There is a resistance for ETH and there is a support for ETH. Best time frame to enter BTC if I want to go low with it now. 1 hour. One hour break of structure here, and it's about to melt. Also 1 hour break of structure here on that candle, a bit higher. With that break of structure, it's super worth to play. 1 to 10, but I miss it. So I'm calling it now. I'm just miss that break of structure. That was 1 p.m. So 1 p.m. at Sunday morning. So I was not looking at the chart at that time. So I'm missing it. And now we have another break of structure, so it's good to continue for the downside. Yeah, I'm in the Bitcoin also on the live account. And that's gonna be the first trade of my live account. I will share the journal with my live account. I'm starting with let me do it here. I'm starting with wait, what the fuck is that? I'm starting with $1,000 risk 5 to 10%, so same as for funded. With funded, when you buy 100k, you already operate 10k. So when you think you use 1% risk from 100k, you literally risking 10% from 10k. That's the reality. When you buy 100k account with fundings and you risk 1%, you operate 10k, so you risk 10%. That's the reality, not 1% as people think. Let me change it. So I'm using the same rules. I will risking 5 to 10%, and I want to scale that account to 10k as a first step. I don't care how long it took me, maybe 3 months, maybe few months, maybe longer, maybe not. And I made a first step on 10k, and then I will scale it to 20, 30, and things like that. But every $1,000 when I flip 1k to 2k, I change my risk, and I'm risking 5 to 10% from 2k. So every 1k I'm flexible with risk to the price of account. That's the first trade. We'll see how it goes. Maybe I blow that account this week, maybe not. We'll see. I'm done with fundings, so yeah. And as for gold, waiting same areas, nothing more to talk about it. From max drawdown, yes. Bad experience with funding, yeah, very bad. I don't trust them anymore. They have hiding rules when you start to making money. they trying to wreck you. So that's gonna be. We can chat about it in Discord. Yeah, no problem. You can send me private message or official on group. With fundings is good when you don't have much capital. You can start with fundings. You can make some drawdowns. I mean withdraw. You can make some payout, withdraw, and then turn it into live account. Because you have no cycles, no rules. I mean, trading is hard enough to complicate it with rules from funding firms. Advise me what to avoid. You need to avoid extreme scalping. You need to play very similar risk to reward. You need to play more than one idea for the cycle. You need to use max 1% risk. You need to try not open multiple position for the same way, for the same direction. And you need to wait after the stop loss sometime, not open just after the stop loss. But I believe they found a different way to wreck you, so doesn't matter. I like prop firms until they show me hidden rules, so I don't like them anymore for now. Yeah, because you know they show the rules when you trying to pass the challenge, but after that, you know, they call me as a gambler. I have a strategy. I'm trading 1 to 2 position for the whole cycle. Then I switch for another account, and I do the same. And they call me I'm not break any rules, but they don't like my trading style, and I got a lot of restriction by them, and trading with them now is so hard with that new rules. What prop firm? I will told you on Discord. Two of them. Okay guys, if you have more question, put it now. I said everything what I want to. So 1 minute for the question and we are about to finish. Christian said all clear. Okay, so that's gonna be it from myself for today. I hope you get some value. Be careful with market open, be patient, stick with your rules, and have a nice rest of the day. Have a nice night, and we see again at Tuesday. I will be also active on the Discord. Bye bye guys.